Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. It is a very gloomy Saturday, y'all. Like, it always rains on the weekends. Like, the time when I'm like wanting to be out of the house, the weather in Georgia this summer has been horrid. It just feels like Seattle. Like, it'll rain and then the sun will come out. We've had so many rainy days this summer. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go out and shop for a client. I just took on a brand new project that I'm gonna take you guys along every bit of the way. It's a client that I've worked with for many years. We have done so many projects together, and they just recently moved into a townhouse. I'm so sorry. They just recently moved into a high-rise, okay, a high-rise in Midtown Atlanta. So I decided to insert a before of the space just so you guys get an idea of what I'm working with. It is a beautiful high-rise condo, and I'm super excited about working on this space. But this is what it looks like before I put all of my magic on it. I'm gonna be decorating basically the entire room, all of the spaces. It's a lot of rooms, and so I have to get started on it. So we've got to go out today and do that. I've already ordered some things online. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, they know I film content, so it's not one of the projects where I can't share, you know what I'm saying, unless it's something really specific. But for the most part, I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I'm doing. What the what? Anyway, and all of that. So I'm excited. So let's go out and let's see what they have. I recently got my hair braided I got my hair braided last night, and I don't know why I'm feeling like I'm coming off kind of pale. It's probably because it's gloomy outside. Anyway, I got my hair braided last night. I had to basically like re-dip the ends and loosen them up because they had them like super tight. I cut some of the curls out because I just felt like it was just way too many curls. But now I love it. I think I like it. It looks really good. Yeah, we're going to Orlando next weekend, so I wanted to get my hair braided so that I could swim and all the things. And plus, braids are just so easy and convenient for me. I just hate taking them out, but I actually love having them. So I didn't want them that long either, because I feel like the longer that they are, that's when I get tired of having them. So when they're short, I feel like they're easier to manage. But anyway, y'all, let's go out. I gotta get something to eat. I haven't cooked anything. That's not nothing new to y'all. Typically on the weekends, your girl is trying to eat something different. So, yeah. I got snack and bacon from Dunkin'. I haven't been in here in such a long time. Brown pillows over here, too little. So I was gonna see. I can't bring my cart down these little aisles. Okay, so all of these are small. None of these are gonna work. Independent, but I follow your lead. Ain't no games we play for keeps. You got the ring, so tell me, Papa, what do you need? Like, if you're into vanilla woodsy scent, is so nice. I'm gonna get him a body cream and a wash. They brought back the vanilla noir for the men. It smells amazing. So if you have a babe, you put this, you get this for him, he's gonna love it. I absolutely love it. It's like a vanilla woodsy scent. So I'm gonna stock him up some more of this since they brought it back. All of the fall scents are out, but I'm gonna wait until they go on sale, and then I'll stock up.
I just want a $28 perfume.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a Sabrina Carpenter, like a sweet perfume. It's pink.
Now, yeah, these are in the cut. Are these swivel? These are nice swivel chairs. I want to put it like right when you enter into that condo in the entryway. I think it'd be perfect. Ooh. Ow. Y'all, I must have slept wrong last night. I have a crook in my neck and it hurts. I don't know what I did. Anyway, guys, is the light better this way? Is the light better that way? Good morning, guys. So I'm about to go in Kroger to make some groceries. And well, okay, first off, I know some of y'all are gonna say something about me saying make groceries, but your girl is a southern girl. I am from Mississippi. I live in Georgia. That's just kind of a southern thing that we say. So I'm about to go in Kroger and make some groceries. and then run a few errands for the day. It's Sunday, and I don't know, you know, I have like a bunch of things running through my head that I want to get done. But yesterday I did a lot of shopping, of course, for my client, but I didn't get anything done for the house, y'all, at all. So the one thing that I feel like I really want to accomplish today is to get my doors painted, those 2 doors in the kitchen painted black, and then the main door in the entryway area that I've been talking about for forever, getting that painted black, because downstairs is very neutral, y'all. It's like blacks, browns, greenery, that type of thing. And I think I want to do like a dark green accent wall in the kitchen. So anyway, most importantly, I gotta tackle one thing like one at a time, and so that's what we're gonna get done today. But first, let's go up in here in Kroger. Let me make these groceries really quick and go pick up something to eat for me and my mom and get today started. Because fall is like right around the corner, I'm gonna be changing these out. They worked for spring, but I'm ready to go in the attic and get my warmer, darker stems to put in here. So we're gonna be switching this up very soon. We headed to our first Braves game. Who they play, baby?
Mets.
The Atlanta Braves played the New York Mets. All right.
Let me see my picture.
We're at Truist Park. Okay, hold on, baby. All the things. Game. The Braves won. I watched the game. So I was saying the Braves won the game, and I had a good time. It went by pretty fast. The game was over, and I didn't even realize the game was over yet. But probably because we didn't get there till after like 6th, 7th inning. Why are you laughing, buddy? Did you have a good time, honey?
I did.
You did. So now we're going to Harold's because we want to have some drinks and some music. I didn't get my hot dog, but We ate some, I don't even think I showed the pizza. It was straight. I really feel like we could have shared. We could have split it in half. Yeah. But it was straight. It was an experience.
Yeah.
But that was the last game of the season, which I didn't know either. So.
Nah, last home game.
Oh, it's the last home game. So it'll be next year before we go to another Braves game, I guess.
Falcon game.
Yeah, we'll go to a Falcons football game. Wait, what month is it? Oh, football season ain't started yet. Okay, yeah, football season about to start, so yeah. Well, I was saying the only thing I hate about places like that is that when you try to I wish they had more. They got out on bars and stuff. I wish they had more bars for like African American people to, you know, gather at that's playing like our music, because it was a nice atmosphere and nice vibes. But that's why we're going to Harold's, because you know you want to listen to your style of music and, you know, get some drinks and vibe out, and it's hard. So like if they had more places that catered to us, you know, that'd be cool. Plus, you know, we will stay there and spend money in there. Hey guys, good morning, happy Saturday. It is another beautiful weekend, and since it's the weekend, I'm headed out to a new area to go shopping for my client. Probably like, yeah, I'm like 19 minutes away. It's only like 22 minutes from the house, but it's 22 minutes further north that I don't usually I'm never in, really, unless I'm specifically going to this area. They have a Home Goods, they have Kirkland's, TJ Maxx, Michael's. It's all like right there together, and they usually get like a lot of good unique stuff at this location, okay, compared to the one by my house. It is 9:22. The store doesn't open until 9:30, so ain't nothing I can do anyway, so I'm just gonna sit here in the drive-thru. I'm supposed to be also filming some TikTok content. If you are not following your girl on TikTok, follow me at, I have two. So Adaeze at Home is the one I'm building to be strictly home decor, and then All Things Adaeze is like home decor, travel, the places I be traveling, food, vlogs. It's a little bit of everything. That's why it's All Things Adaeze. But some like behind the scenes stuff I just don't feel like goes on that page unless I figure out a way to like curate it or something. I don't know. So that's why I started Adaeze at Home, so it could just be like home decor. But because I don't think people on all these things anyway, child. But I'm realizing that trying to man 2 TikToks is kind of a lot of work. So we're gonna see how this go. It may just end up being one, and that's All Things Adaeze. Ooh, so yummy. I think this bowl is like really cute. Put like some greenery or something inside of it, and it's so big. So, and then I've been getting like a lot of little stonewash pieces like this. They didn't really have any good artwork in here, surprisingly. I thought they would, but they don't. So, oh y'all, they have the book for $69.99. I think it's $62 on Amazon though. But this is cute. I want this book. I don't like that they have the sticker on the cover, because this is a good top cover. Darned it.